Good morning. No, good afternoon actually. 1:15 and I was going to edit the vlog so that we can go out afterwards, but sleep refused to let me go. He went out to get coffee, so here we go. He came back with coffee.
Cold.
Hot coffee. Ow, 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 ow. How hot. Transferring. Let's go. We got changed after I edited and he already laced for today. So our main goal going out today is to find corn soups. Because I've always been wanting to make a video about like all kinds of corn soups and compare how good they are. So yeah, we're gonna bike out so that like we don't go too far also. So it's a good content, I guess. Stay tuned. It'll come with background music. Oh, the sky's so blue. We're planning to go to a curry bread shop first and then move on from there because we are slightly hungry. We are at the curry pan. Let's go. Curry pan.
Active since 1922.
Oh yeah. Curry pan. This is a sample of what's inside.
So cute.
Yeah. This is actually a stick.
Oh, they have an Instagram.
Oh, they
Check
do.
it out, guys.
Trying to find a park or something to eat. We're heading towards unknown territories. Oh, it's the Meitetsu Hospital. Where are we? I don't know. Oh, downhill, thank goodness. We found a corn soup. So this is Coca-Cola.
Oh.
Coca-Cola bread. 150 yen. Jerky? There's like also scones or something in there. Avocado chips. They are deconstructing the old bridge. There's the temple. The one with the paper bag is the crooked. This is
Big Mac.
Big Mac. You're gonna break the staker.
Yeah, I broke it a little bit.
Oh,
sorry.
GG. Oh, that's
mine.
yours.
Yeah. This is the butter and red beet.
Yeah. I don't even know if you can hear me. It's like fuff.
I think it should be okay.
I don't know. We'll
This
see.
one should be yours.
Yeah. My Ebby. Let's see if it survived the trip. Oh, nice.
Oh, nice. Oh, it smells great. You can smell the tartar from it.
Nice.
Itadakimasu.
Itadakimasu.
We're not sure if you guys can hear us because I've actually got this mounted on my bike. But we got a Itadakimasu.
How picturesque. Thanks
Very.
to the sunlight.
No, actually, there's a nice contrast between our red and the blue sky. So,
Yeah.
Itadakimasu. How do I even eat this? I'm gonna go with the potatoes. Next time I should have like a table at lunch.
I know, right?
That's nice to eat.
Oh, my.
Yeah. It's really cold up here. But can't deny the view. Hey, that's a nice train over there. There you go.
Oh, yeah. Look at
Really
it. Look at that shine under the sun. You can get actually super close to the train if you want to. So this is the name of the river, Shonai Gawa. I don't know what this path is for, but we're not going anywhere going through here.
Alright, found another one. This one's slightly a bit cheaper, worth just 110 yen. This is the Asahi one. Gonna go get it.
He found corn soup number 2. Why is it so cheap here? Haha, number 3. Yes. We also got coffee. なんか違う. It looks different. And it has Uma Musume. Satono Daimon.
This one is Kitasan Black.
The fuck? It's like along the way, how many we met at least 3 vending machine already. Seriously, nothing beats like drinking a hot can during winter time.
Milk.
Oh, this one I've never seen before. Corn
They
potage.
usually sell ramune, right?
Lemonade?
Oh, tiny UCC coffee, love.
Nice.
Hamasaki as well too.
Interesting.
You think that's good?
Maybe. Found a Yamada Denki here that we've never been to. I was gonna drop by and have a look. What is this place?
Where the heck are
It's a KFC here. No concept at all. Oh, I think it's just like a More department store, local department store. So like the elementary 1 to 3 wear these kind of hats, so people can see them when they cross the road. You can get uniforms here too. You might be able to find some very old school gacha toys that you can't find it anywhere else anymore. They have a UFO catcher. Trying this one. I want the pink one.
Yeah.
This is so cute. It's actually glow in the dark too.
This is a nice color. In case you didn't know, we're big fans of this gravity knife. Hee.
Look at the amount we have.
Nice.
I'm trying to see if it's really glow in the dark. Kind of. Not sure.
Maybe need a stronger light?
We'll test it again when we get home. This is too bright. We have a bookstore here with Ichiban Kuji. So if you want to know what's the best place to go somewhere, these are the good books. These are so cute. They have magnet in between. So if it's close to each other, they will stick together. This guy. You see it in the baby monitor? It's like it detected that there's movement. Hina Ninkyo. The Mickey Mouse one too. Like the fact that they made a course in the middle of the shop so that you can feel how it feels like if you push the baby car around.
You can try it out?
Yeah,
Really?
I think so. Are you gonna try it? Here. Start from here. Cat. How's it? Are you stuck already? How's the rating?
Handling is 7 out of 10.
Yeah.
Very easy to.
Why are we testing strollers here?
Oh, this is better.
This is better. It looks smoother.
Actually, this is the start.
You failed at the beginning already.
This is also legal. And off she goes.
We stayed in there for a little longer than we wanted to.
Yeah.
And it's already dark.
Oh.
Oh, it does glow for a bit. Oops. Didn't mean to zoom in so much. Okay, turn it off. Kind of.
Can you see it?
Yeah. Not very strong though.
How about yours?
Okay, here we go. Oh, yeah. You can see a bit of it lighting up. The logo.
Cool.
But probably need quite a strong light to actually get it going. It's the treasure cat on the sky.
Okay. Helping Bulin with her bike. We're up on the footbridge because we need to cross to that side of the station. Well, not station, the street. It's a bit of a tough one. Can you do it?
Ordered 10 pounds. So it will come with a grill plate, I think. Very interesting place. Kind of feels like a gospel, but not really. Oh, nice. Thank you. It's the same one, but his rice is almond, I think. Tata. Our journey continues. It's so cold. Which one? Yeah. The music. Didn't see much in there, even though it took quite a bit of time looking around. Alright, continue our journey looking for corn soup. It's funny how when you want to look for it, it's not around.
Somebody's renting it. We didn't know there was an onsen near our place, and this one is selling corn soup. And this one's just 100 yen. It's this brand. Kitchen one. World Kitchen.
It's a different one.
Nice. So far, we're still looking for Poka Sapporo. And we've pretty much been going around for 10 minutes. Does this have one? Nope.
Oh, there is 1, 2, 3 vending machines. He's checking if it's Poka Sapporo. I think that Poka Sapporo is the only one that we are missing now. I don't even know some of them that they have corn soup. If we really can't get it, then probably we can get it in a convenience store, because they do have like the mouth open one. Come all the way to the station. The dedication. And the truth is, do they have it? They don't. And I think this one we have already.
How many cans did we collect? All right.
Yes! I found it!
That's apparently our favorite one. This one. But yeah, taste test later. Here we are, back home. And these are the cans of soups that we got. Might have to boil some water to reheat it, because
some of them is quite cold already.
yeah, especially which was it?
few.
The first few. This is the warmest still, along with this one, I think.